Today, we're diving into the heart of luxury, speed, and precision with the 2025 Ferrari F8 Spider, a car that redefines the thrill of open-air driving. From its breathtaking design to its pulse-raising performance, the F8 Spider is a testament to Ferrari's engineering mastery. Let us start with the exterior. The F8 Spider is a work of art sculpted in metal. Every curve, every line has been designed for both beauty and aerodynamics. Up front, the sleek, low-slung nose features aggressive LED headlights that seamlessly blend into the sculpted hood. The S-Duct, a key aerodynamic element, not only enhances downforce but also adds to its menacing front profile. Moving along the sides, the pronounced air intakes feed the powerful twin-turbo V8 engine while giving the car its unmistakable Ferrari silhouette. The 20-inch forged wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires, perfectly complement the car's athletic stance. At the rear, the quad tail lights and the massive diffuser emphasize the F8 Spider's racing pedigree. The retractable hardtop roof operates seamlessly, transforming the car from a coupe to a convertible in just 14 seconds, even while moving at speeds of up to 45 km per hour. Now, let us step inside. The cabin of the 2025 F8 Spider is an exquisite blend of luxury and performance-focused design. The cockpit is driver-centric, with every control and display positioned to enhance the driving experience. Premium leather and Alcantara line the seats, door panels, and dashboard, while the signature carbon fiber trim adds a touch of modern sophistication. The flat-bottom steering wheel, adorned with integrated controls, features the signature Manettino switch, allowing you to adjust driving modes with ease. Behind the wheel, the digital instrument cluster provides vital information in sharp detail, ensuring you're always in tune with the car's performance. The seats, sculpted for both comfort and support, hold you securely even during aggressive driving. Ferrari has also ensured that luxury isn't sacrificed for speed. The F8 Spider comes with a premium sound system, though the symphony of the V8 engine might make you forget it's there. A state-of-the-art infotainment system offers navigation, smartphone integration, and voice control, keeping you connected while you chase the horizon. Every button, stitch, and material inside reflects Ferrari's commitment to craftsmanship. Performance is where the F8 Spider truly shines. Under the hood lies a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing a staggering 710 horsepower and 770 nanometers of torque. The car rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.9 seconds, with a top speed of 340 km per hour. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures seamless gear changes, while the advanced aerodynamics and electronic systems deliver precision handling at any speed. The 2025 Ferrari F8 Spider isn't just a car, it's an experience. It's about the connection between driver and machine, the thrill of open-top driving, and the legacy of Ferrari. This is a masterpiece for those who seek performance, elegance, and pure exhilaration. The F8 Spider speeds down a winding coastal road, with the sun setting in the background.